Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Thought I'd take a quick break from all the gaming and streaming to give you all a quick tutorial on how to stream your Zoom meetings to all your social platforms. But first I want to give a quick shout out to this video sponsor, Restream.io. If you've never used Restream.io, it's basically an easy way to take your live streams and have them distributed to multiple streaming services all simultaneously. This is a service I've been using since I started streaming my gameplay. Basically what you do is you connect your streaming platform accounts, like for example Twitch, Mixer, or YouTube, to your Restream account. When you start a stream on Restream, it'll automatically share the stream to whichever accounts you've connected. It's a free service, but there is also a couple of paid options with more features. Regardless, it's a service I would definitely recommend to any streamer looking to grow their audience and community on any streaming platform. The first two things you'll need are obviously a Restream account and a Zoom account. When you log into Zoom, scroll over to My Account and go to Settings on the left-hand side. Click on In Meeting Advanced. And in order to do this, you need a paid account. Right under here where it says Show a Join from your browser link, it should show a little toggle that'll say Allow Live Streaming. What you'll want to do next is click Host a Meeting and select whatever type of meeting you want. And if you get this pop-up, just put Open Zoom Meetings. Join with computer audio. And down here beside the record option, if you have the paid subscription, you should get a more option. Select the more option beside the record button and select Stream from Custom RTMP. There'll be a window that'll pop up over here, and you'll just want to copy your stream URL from right here in your Restream dashboard. On the next blank, you'll want to put your stream key just by copying and pasting. On the third blank, you can put your URL for one of your connected channels, for example, your YouTube channel. That way users in the meeting can just click that URL and it'll let them view the stream. After that, all you have to do is click live and it'll start streaming on all your connected accounts. Real quick, in case you don't know how to add a channel to your Restream, all you have to do is get on your Restream dashboard and click Add Channel. It'll come up with a list of options such as Facebook, Mixer, Twitch, or YouTube. All you have to do is click on whatever you're going to add and then just connect or log in, and it'll come up on your dashboard right here, and you should be ready to stream. Another way to live stream your Zoom meetings if you don't have the paid plan is using a program called OBS. If you're a streamer, you're probably familiar with that program. It's a free broadcasting program. You can download it online on their website. All you would have to do is launch the meeting and then go over here. Sorry about all this. It's just capturing that screen. What you would do is go to sources and add a game capture. We're just going to call it game capture 3. And what you would want to do is capture a specific window. And then the windows drop down, you go to zoom.exe Zoom meeting, and it'll start capturing from there. Press OK. And once you're capturing the meeting, you would just have to go to your stream settings, which you can go right here and go under stream. You would click on whatever service you're using, which in this case is Restream. And all you have to do is copy your stream key over from your dashboard. It'll start streaming your Zoom meeting. Alternatively, if that doesn't work for you, you can always go back to OBS and set up a different scene. You'll still go to game capture. Actually, you'll go to display capture. Press OK, and then choose whatever screen that Zoom meeting is on. So in this case, it's on display 2. press OK. You can take off the cursor, put it on, it's your choice. Press OK and it'll start streaming. Now let me press start streaming just so you can see an example. And you can already see right here, it's already streaming to Twitch. It's sending the data over. And let's go over to my Twitch account, and it's already on there live. If you have your Zoom meeting up, then that would be streaming on your Twitch. As you can see right there. Of course, don't forget to update your titles. What that does is it's basically just a title that your stream is going to show. So right here we would put Zoom meeting, and you can update a description or whatever, and you click on update all. It'll switch this from Call of Duty Quads or whatever you have your title set to into Zoom meeting. Hopefully this tutorial helps you reach and expand your audience online, whether you're streaming webinars, using Zoom for company meetings, or simply chatting with friends. If you don't yet have a Restream.io account, feel free to use my referral link that I left in the description. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. Also, let me know if y'all want some more tutorials or videos like these, and thanks for tuning in.